Quick info about this hair. It was sent to me by Yolova. I believe that's how you say the name. It is 28 inches. They said it was 13 by 4, but I really believe that it's 13 by 6 because it goes from ear to ear, and a 13 by 4 would never fit me like this. The part goes all the way back. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I believe it's a 13 by 6, but they did say it's a 13 by 4. Here's all of my lips. That's why I can't wear lip gloss with long hair. But anyways, this is the box it was sent in. It's like the wig out, of course. Yeah, it's 13 by 4, 28 inches, 180 density, and it's pretty thick for 180 density, because when I get it from other companies for 180 density, it do not look like this. This looks more like 250 to me. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So this is what the wig looks like inside. I usually cut off the little combs because it's going to be pulling your hair out or whatnot. Or if you wear a cap under your wigs, it will be pulling your cap. So I usually just take a razor and just cut it off. I don't know if I could do that on camera. I know my braids look crazy. This is like my second or third install with these braids. I like to keep my braids dirty because that's how your hair grow out. So I'll be putting some growth oil in my hair. This is from Beauty by C. You guys can find this on my website. And all I do is oil in between my braids. I try not to put too much so it don't go on my edges because your wig will start lifting. Try to stretch the cap as much as possible. I don't really do that because most of the time, 95% of the time, I have lashes on and I don't want to mess up my lashes. So I don't do that, but you can to get the best results. I'm just going to be laying some glue around my edges. And I like to put it on the cap so that I have no lifting. So I take a foundation that's my complexion. I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is my favorite foundation. I don't care for expensive foundation. Yeah, so I just put this on the back of my hand so it's not too much. And I just place it all over my cap. I'm going to be doing the same thing with the wig. I'm going to put it right on the lace. I also put it on the front so it can blend perfectly. You can use the smaller scissors in this, but this is the scissors I have on hand, so that's what I'll be using. I'm gonna be putting the wax stick on the front of the hair just so I can lay it flat. After that, I'm gonna be using the hot comb. This wax stick can also be found on my website. As always, I will leave it in the description box down below. If you know me, you know I can't see for shit. So I'm gonna try to look in the mirror or in the viewfinder to add the glue on my hairline. Make sure you add glue on the cap and on your hairline. Just make sure that you do not put it on your hair at all. That's what I'm doing here. Applied 2 to 3 coats of the Erica J glue. I believe this is the strawberry scented, or is it watermelon? The scented one, this is the one I'm using. So here I am just pulling the cap forward, or the lace, I'm going to be pulling it forward, and I'm going to be making sure that it sticks to the glue. I'm going to be using a comb to push it back. Push it back. Here I'm going to be using an elastic band to melt the lace. I got this elastic band from Amazon. If you guys want the link to that, I'll leave it down below. So because the elastic band was too tight for my head, I feel like my brain was just busting. So I had to use the edge scarf, and this is what I'm taking off right now. For this part, I used a scissor. To cut off the lace, I used a scissor and a razor. I just used the scissors to cut it in half to make it easier. And then I used the razor to give it an uneven cut. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I don't like the blunt cut, so that's why I used the razor. I'm applying some glue to the back of my hand. I'm going to be applying it to where the lace did not stick, so I'm just going to be applying a little to it. So this is what my hair looks like after I combed it. Well, I brushed it out with a wig brush, regular wig brush from the beauty supply, and this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see that. I honestly feel like I'm gonna have to do a styling video because my camera is already dead. I don't even know why, but I'm gonna have to do another styling video because this is it, and tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I need my hair done ASAP, and I always do it last minute. It is literally the morning of Thanksgiving, and I'm not doing my hair. So I love my hair super flat, so don't mind how many times I go over it with the hot comb. I'm gonna go over it as much as possible just so I get a flat frontal.